If you're having trouble with Namecheap two-factor authentication or your login keeps getting blocked by an OPI issue, this video will walk you through the fix step by step. I'll show you how to check your 2FA settings, use backup codes, and set everything up again if your Authenticator app or security key is not working properly. This is a simple troubleshooting guide, and it can save you a lot of time if you're locked out or stuck at the verification screen. If this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick software and account fix videos. Alright, let's get into it. First, log into your Namecheap account as usual. Once you're inside your dashboard, look at the top menu and click on Account. Then, open Profile. This is where Namecheap keeps your account level settings, including security options and two-factor authentication. Inside the Profile area, scroll or look for the Security section. In this section, you should see the two-factor authentication option. This is the part we need to manage to fix the issue. Click Manage next to two-factor authentication. Namecheap will now show your current 2FA setup and ask you to verify your identity. If you normally use an authentication app like Google Authenticator, Authy, or Microsoft Authenticator, open that app on your phone and enter the current one-time password shown there. Make sure you're entering the most recent code, because these codes refresh every few seconds. If the code works, you should regain access and be able to continue into your Namecheap account. But if your Authenticator app is not working, maybe the phone was reset, the app was deleted, the time on the device is out of sync, or the code simply won't validate. If you've already used your codes or you can't find them, look for the option to regenerate your backup codes. If Namecheap allows you to generate a new set, do that as soon as possible and store them securely in a password manager or another protected location. This step is very important because it gives you a recovery path if your Authenticator app stops working again. Now, if you want to keep using an authentication app, the best next step is to set it up again from scratch. Namecheap will provide a QR code during the setup process. Open your Authenticator app, choose the option to add a new account, and scan the QR code shown on the screen. Once the account is added, your app will begin generating fresh one-time codes for Namecheap. Enter the latest code to confirm the setup. If you use a security key instead of an app, make sure the key is plugged in, connected, and properly enabled. Sometimes the issue is as simple as the key not being detected, so double-check the connection and try again. After you have either reset the app, used a backup code, or confirmed your security key, try logging in again using your new two-factor authentication method. In most cases, this will solve the issue and get you back into your account. If the problem continues, repeat the setup carefully and make sure your device time, app sync, and recovery options are all correct. And that's how to fix Namecheap two-factor authentication issues in Namecheap. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe so you don't miss the next easy fix tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.